Hi students, in this class we are discussing next another important family in Delhi Sultan. So that is here they given next one another important family in Delhi Sultan, that is Khilji dynasty. So in this session we are discussing who are important kings came in Khilji dynasty and who are founder of in this dynasty and what was the achievements they done in the particular period or contribution. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, first one we are discussing here introductions of Khilji dynasty, the founder of Khilji dynasty. Here they given Jalaluddin is the founder of Khilji dynasty, evenly established by Khilji dynasty, and is one of the important man. He involved or he have good habits like a mercy and soft spoken, that like of mentality person. Is a very soft and always giving mercy to the peoples. So this like a person of Jalaluddin. So when the administrative peoples or the Sardars, when they observed this like a person, they started battle against or revolt against king. So when the Sardars they started becoming strong, they thinking that we can kill the king. So when they started this like of way, son of the important person, he also one of the important post in he also did work. That person name is there. They given Alauddin. He took the chance and he murdered by Jalaluddin. So when Jalaluddin died, after in that post took by Alauddin Khilji or Alauddin, and he became a king. These are the basic points about Khilji dynasty, means who is founder and how he died, after who took the power. So now in this class we are discussing one of the important person. He came in Delhi Sultan and become a very powerful king in overall Delhi Sultan. Not only in Khilji dynasty, overall Delhi Sultan, he became a very powerful king. That person name is Alauddin Khilji. So in this class, we are discussing about the Alauddin Khilji. Who is Alauddin Khilji? What was the achievements he done and contribution? So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, first of all, we want to know who is Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji, here they say, is not a relative or son of Jalaluddin. Here they given Alauddin Khilji grew up by Jalaluddin and he given education and he become a good warrior, and here they given he become a governor of Khilji dynasty, Delhi Sultan. In beginning, Alauddin Khilji is took care by Jalaluddin. Afterwards, when he become a very warrior, a bravery leader, after he took the post of governor in the rule of Jalaluddin. So afterwards they say he became a military general and he did so many battles and captured by some of the place. Here they given one by one places name. One is Malwa, second one is Bilwa, and another one is Devagiri. And which are the place when he plundered the wealth? Means he took, what we are saying that only robbery. He robbed the wealth. And he stored in his court. So this like a mentality adapted by Alauddin Khilji. Whenever in any place if he went, he did this like only. He did battle and he took robbery the wealth. So next year they given afterwards. So in this like of mentality adapted. So on this way he observed the nature of Jalaluddin. Later he killed the Jalaluddin and became a Sultan of Khilji dynasty. So in this way Alauddin Khilji became a Sultan of Delhi. And here they give a next one information. Alauddin Khilji, he did some of the achievements Here they given when the Mongolians they came to India to battle, he done successfully and defeated them. And not only this one, he defeated Rajput king Karnadeva II. Next they given here they given next one Amir Deva of Ratnambur and Bhim Singh of Chittor. These are the peoples he defeated, kings he defeated and captured some of the places. Here they given one by one places: Malwa, Jalor, Bundi and Mandur and Tong. These are the places he captured. Not only this one, is military general is one of the important person. That person name is they given Malik Kafur is a military general of Alauddin Khilji Fort. He invaded South India in our side and they did battles and captured some of the places. Here they given that like of places. Here they given one by one. First one is Devagiri, second one is Warangal, Dwarasamudra and Madurai. But which are the places they did battle? Malik Kafur or Alauddin Khilji? When they did battle, they did not capture the place. Only they did battle and they defeated and they take the wealth. Only that much. And they destroy what was the contribution or construction they done in the during which are the place they went. So that and all they destroyed. This only they done. Only they did battle the purpose of wealth. And here they saying that only simply all are they thought that what king they done same that like only people, so they adapted their mentality. They also like a plundered, means they also done they did work like a robbery. Peoples also they adapted this like only lifestyle. And next one here they given after the death of Alauddin Khilji, here they given his third son, here they given Qutbuddin Mubarak. He started to rule 4 years, but they also murdered by soldier of Khusro. Later Ghazi Malik, Miss Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, murdered by Khusro and established by one of the new dynasty, that is Tughlaq dynasty. First Alauddin Khilji, third son. After the death of Alauddin Khilji, his third son took the power. That person name is Qutbuddin Mubarak. But later Qutbuddin Mubarak killed by his military general or soldier of Khusro. He became a king. But Khusro killed by one of the another important person. That person name is Ghazi Malik, means Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. He murdered and he established by one of the new dynasty in Delhi Sultan, that is Tughlaq dynasty. So these are the main information about Alauddin Khilji, how he became a king of in Delhi Sultan or Khilji dynasty. Next we are discussing what was the contribution given by Alauddin Khilji, because first of all in first only I already told is one of the important king in Khilji dynasty, not only in Khilji dynasty, in Delhi Sultan. In Delhi Sultan in only one of the important and famous king. So in this way, what was the achievements he done? What was the contribution he given to in his dynasty? This only we are discussing now. Okay, in that first one they given administrative reforms. What was the administrative reformation he done? So Alauddin Khilji implemented by different types of administrative purpose or different types of administrative programs. So here they given one by one. He abolished by religious endowments. What is that one? Religious endowments? Till that time, who are become a kings, they given donation to temples or any religious places. But when he become is a king of a Nawab or Sultan of in this particular dynasty, a Delhi Sultan or Khilji dynasty, he abolished the facility. He banned the facility. Not only this one, here they given a ban, he abolished by Inam's land and subsidy. On that time, any person, if they given any achievement, kings, they giving some of the land or some of the money. But when Alauddin Khilji become a king, he banned these are the matters. He stopped the bad. These are the facilities. And they given and implemented by effective intelligence network, because there are so many of enemies is the waiting to capture Delhi Sultan. To successfully to resolve these are the problems, he implemented by one of the effective intelligence network in his dynasty. This is also one of the important achievements of Alauddin Khilji. And here they given, and he banned by some of the important association parties or meetings. Here they given one by one. First one they given, he prohibited by, here they given sardars and socializations with general public marriage. These are the programs he banned. If sardars, any parties, are they here they given general public meetings or marriages. So these are the programs he banned in his court. And not only this one, he banned by alcohol, drugs and dice game in his rule. Should not follow, these are the games in his court. If any people they follow, he given serious punishment. And not only this one, on that time farmers, if small landlords or big landlords, both also they should pay tax. So these are the important administrative reformations of Alauddin Khilji. Okay, next one, military reforms. What was the military reformations he done? So here they given, he appointed by, here they given the post of defense minister for the purpose of to appoint a job or to training, and they given or to supply of arms. So in this purpose for only he appointed by one of the minister post. That minister post name is defense minister. You want to maintain, these are the matters: to appoint a soldiers, or training, or to supply of arms. And they given salary for the soldiers on the month of last date. They given salary for soldiers by cash. This also by a cash. And next one, and they maintained by individual record books in his court, the during of rule of Alauddin Khilji. So based on the physical conditions of the particular person or physical marks or physical features, on this based they maintained by records. So in that record for they given name as a, here they given Ulia. In that record book they maintained by what was the physical conditions of soldiers. And not only this one, next one they are saying, in that they used horse force also in that army, and they given, here they given, they implemented by stamping the horse. They put the stamp for that particular horse because they want to get the numbers and they want to check the quality, physical conditions of that particular horse. In that based they implemented by stamping. So in that for they given name as a, here they given name as a Dag. So this is also one of the important contributions of Alauddin Khilji. So next year they given, and it the salary of his entitlements, and he could not, here they saying, is directly complain to the sultans himself. For example, if soldiers, if they faced any problems, if they are not getting any facility or any other condition, they can directly complain in sultan. So these like of reformations implemented by Alauddin Khilji in his court. So next one, here they give next reformations of Alauddin Khilji, that is market reforms. So this is also one of the important contributions of Alauddin Khilji, and here they given implemented by systematic market system in his dynasty. And peoples, they sell different types of food grains. Here they given one by one: pulses, cereals, cooking oil, sugar, salt and fuel. So these are the things they sell as a fair price, means valuable price. What the king they fix the price, in that price for they want to sell in market. So these like of systems implemented, and here they given, and not only this one, implemented another one feature, that is in market people they can sell the horse. Horse also they sell in market, and not only horse, slaves also. In market, in not only food grains, they selling animals and human beings as a slave and horse. And he appointed by higher officer named as the Shan-e-Mandi. because of the purpose of to regulate a market, to control a market, because they want to sell the things as a valuable price. So on this basis, he appointed by one of the higher official, that name is Sean E. Mundy, and who are not obeying in these rules in market, they are given serious punishment. So these are the important matters about contributions of Alauddin Khilji in based on administrative and military, and another one is market. So next class we are discussing another important family. They came in Delhi Sultans, and they also started to rule. So these are the matters we are discussing in next class. Okay, thank you.